Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable the push-to-talk feature in a channel video chat on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. This feature can sometimes interrupt your flow if you prefer to have the microphone open without needing to press a button constantly. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your channels. Next, open the specific channel where you want to disable the push-to-talk feature during video chats. Once you're inside the channel, look for the call icon, which is the middle icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will bring up the options for voice and video calls. Now, select Start Livestream. This initiates the video chat livestream from your account. Choose your account to proceed and click on Continue. You're almost there. On the livestream screen, click on the three dots in the corner to open additional options. And from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Inside Settings, you will find the option for Push-to-Talk. Simply disable this feature to turn off the need to hold down a key to speak during the video chat. Finally, click Done to save your settings and close the window, and that's it. You've successfully disabled Push-to-Talk for your channel video chat on Telegram PC. Now your microphone will stay on without needing to press any button, making your live streams smoother and more natural. If you want to reverse this and enable Push-to-Talk again, just follow these same steps and toggle Push-to-Talk back on. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide.